Are you also struggling to get followers on Instagram? So don't worry, in this video I will show you simple way to get more followers for free. This is my official account where I have only 200 followers and I will show you increasing followers on this account. So let's get started. First of all, head over to this website whose link you will get in the comment section of this video. Now click on login. Here you have to log in with your temporary or fake Instagram account, and if you want to know how to make unlimited Instagram accounts, then comment down. I will create a tutorial for it. So after login, click on first followers icons. It is plus 280 for me. It can vary from person to person. Now here you have to put the username of the account in which you want to increase the followers. In my case, I told you to increase followers in the main account. So after that, here fill the number of followers you want. Don't put large number here. It will provide you limited followers only with one ID. And if you have temp insta ID with DP, then you can get more followers too. And if you need more followers, then you can create multiple temp insta IDs and follow the same process. You can see in the notifications also we are receiving real followers. And for your reference, let me show you in the app also. So in this way you can get almost 2 to 3k followers daily. You can also increase likes, comments and more for your Insta account. So I hope you would like this video, and do subscribe if you are new to our channel, and comment how many followers you got and share it with your friends who need for free followers. Till then, see you in the next video.